In this video, you'll be learning how to fix Microsoft Photos is crashing or not opening in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to bring up the settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring it up easily. So from here, please navigate to the left side. You can see there are apps, click on it, and eventually you can see installed apps where you can uninstall or manage apps on your PC. So navigate here with the search bar being placed at the top and search for photos. So please wait until it would be set here since it's getting ready. You just have to kindly be patient on waiting since it's still getting ready for us. Okay, so once it's here, please click on the three dots and go with advanced options. And under here at the advanced options of the photos, we need to scroll down, allocate with reset. So if this app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted, but that doesn't mean that all of the photos, the images that we have or any related documents that is being here, the photos would be deleted because only the app data will be affected. Okay, so click on reset. It will only take less than a minute to do so. And once you have resetted it, try to check if your problem has been fixed. However, if not, then we need to close the window and navigate here at the bottom search bar and type for the PowerShell. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match would appear in this kind of window before we proceed. So we just have to wait until a list of the option would be showing here at the right side along with this Windows PowerShell system before we can proceed to the window of Windows PowerShell. Once it's here, click on Run as Administrator and kindly wait until you can get a notification where your user account control would ask you to say yes. All you need to do is you need the yes button to continue. So before you proceed, you will be able to see a command text at the description box below, which is for the command text for the uninstallation of the Microsoft Photos. You just have to copy it. Okay, and the moment you have copied it, try to paste it here at the Windows PowerShell system. Wait until it would be ready first before you paste it. Okay, so we just have to wait until this would be done already before we paste the command text. So that command text again is for the uninstallation for the photos. So by that, paste it here. Okay, which is this one. You can see that this is the command text that you need to paste here. Get-appxpackage space Microsoft.Windows.Photos, then design, then the space remove-appxpackage. Okay, so try to type it here or paste it here and click on the enter key. And once done, you would be able to uninstall the photos, then close the window and navigate to the Microsoft Store and install again the Microsoft Photos. So search it here and installed it. Okay, or you can either update it. Okay, installed it. The moment you will install it, you will automatically get the updated version. Just install it, and once done, check if your problem has been fixed. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.